Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best anklet set for women, the Florideco 24 pieces Boho Surfer Bracelet Anklet Set. If you're looking to elevate your summer style with a splash of color and bohemian charm, this collection is definitely worth checking out. The Florideco Anklet Set is a vibrant and versatile assortment of 24 pieces that beautifully blend the laid-back surfer vibe with boho chic. These anklets come in various braided and beaded styles, allowing you to mix and match freely. Whether you're headed to the beach, a festival, or just want to add a little personality to your everyday look, this set offers the perfect combination of playful colors and unique designs. What sets this collection apart is its handmade craftsmanship. Each bracelet is carefully woven using quality cotton and wax threads, which means they are not only comfortable to wear but also durable. The materials ensure these anklets can handle a bit of water, so wearing them while swimming or during a casual shower won't be a problem. Plus, their lightweight design means you can wear multiple pieces at once without feeling weighed down. The anklets feature rope, braided, and bead chain styles, adding a textured and layered look to your ankle that can complement any summer outfit. Another great point is that these anklets do not use clasps, making them easy to adjust and slip on or off. This adjustable fit ensures comfort for various ankle sizes, making it a great unisex option. In terms of material, the Florideco anklets combine stainless steel elements for added strength without compromising on style or comfort. These metals resist tarnishing and keep the bracelets looking fresh, even after prolonged use. From the casual beachgoer to the fashion-forward festival attendee, these anklets fit effortlessly into your lifestyle. The array of colors included in the pack means you have options to pair with different outfits and moods. Whether you prefer subtle earth tones or a pop of vibrant hues, the set has something for everyone. Overall, the Florideco 24 pieces Boho Surfer Bracelet Anklet Set offers exceptional value. It provides a wide variety of handcrafted pieces that are both stylish and practical. If you want to express your individuality through your accessories this summer, this set is a fantastic choice that combines comfort, durability, and eye-catching design. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this overview, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.